Hi! Very soon, integrating data sources will become easy with Visplore. For example, files, databases and the OSIs of Pi system. That's what I want to show you in this video. You will see how to correlate process and quality data while considering order specifics from the ERP system. In the first step, we load the quality data from a CSV file. You can see the measurements at irregular intervals and a drop in the last few days. Now for the new features. It's very easy to add process data from Pi. Just click Add Data Source and select Pi. Now let's specify a meaningful time period. And we are good to go. Now this dialog is new. In this dialog you can see the two data sources and you have many options here. For example, to rasterize the data as fine as you like, to convert long data formats into wide ones, to define time shifts and much more. So let's go. Almost immediately we see both data sources combined. The data integration is not only visual. Both sources share a common data model. This allows us to view scatter plots, for example, and to analyze correlations between the quality and the process data. To do this, I switch to the correlations cockpit. This shows us which texts correlate with the drop in quality. You see this here on the right hand side. And that's not all. To look only at comparable orders, we need the ERP data for contextualization. So let's add another source, this time a database. All common databases are supported. In the preview, we see the structure of the data. For each order, we have a start and an end timestamp. In addition, we see the information which product was produced and the order ID. Now we have already three data sources combined. Visplore has recognized the data as time spans. We only need to confirm the dialog. The ERP data is available. So for example, we can put it to color. Or we can filter products. Let's have a look at quality KPIs per order. So let's put the order ID here in the pivot table. Let's select the quality indicator and let's order all the orders by the mean quality. So having this list, we can now compare, for example, orders with good and bad quality. So select the two orders with the best quality and let's select two orders with not so good quality. Now let's compare them. And then we can use the histograms to identify which parameters have changed. In just a few minutes, questions can be answered that might have taken days of data preparation otherwise. And it's always possible to increase the resolution of time periods. So here we are in a 30 minutes raster. Let's simply set the grid to 5 instead of 30 minutes. The process data is updated from Pi. The other data sources are simply rasterized finer by Visplore itself. Now we see the refined 5 minutes resolution of the data. And we can finally export the data of those 4 selected orders and paste it to Excel, for example. With the upcoming version, Visplore will become a data integration tool. You can easily get your data sources into the right shape and analyze them in combination. For example, bring in new data on the fly whenever you need to, without complex IT project and without programming. This will massively increase the value you get from your data. We look forward to your feedback on the application examples shown. And let's talk about your use cases. So, thank you for your time and see you soon.